If you want to get a flood of new customers using Instagram or Facebook stories, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Well, what's up, Impactor? Coach Fryer back here with you. Super excited. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. Thanks so much for being here. Every single Tuesday morning, I release a brand new short but sweet and informational brand new YouTube video just for you. So if you'd like to get updated every single week when we announce each video, smash that subscribe button right now. What do you say we just dig into the content, shall we? Well, again, thanks so much for being here. Smash that thumbs up button if at all you get value from this video. Let's talk about how you can get a flood of new customers using Instagram or Facebook stories. Here's what you need to know first. See, stories, whether it's Instagram or Facebook, I feel are completely underutilized right now for network marketers and those in the direct sales space. If you're brand new to stories or kind of not too sure how they work, I mean, stories are kind of the behind the scenes of what's going on in your life. I want to give you a simple example, okay? Let's talk about Facebook for just a moment. Let's call it that you're making one post per day on your Facebook public profile, right? I call that the home run post. Yes, I've got a baseball background, played 8 years professionally, so you're going to hear some baseball innuendos here. But the public profile post would be what I call your home run post, your max engagement, max likes, max comments, maximum shares, just lots of traction, right? And then your stories is more behind the scenes. Here's a quick example. Imagine you are taking your family to Disneyland, right? Okay, if you could imagine your family standing in front of one thing at Disneyland to take a picture, what would that be? Did you think immediately the Disney World or Disneyland castle? Well, of course, right? So imagine you take your family to Disneyland and the one post you make on your profile on Facebook is the family picture in front of the big castle. That's the home run moment. That's the big crescendo, right? Lots of likes, comments, lots of people interacting, right? Okay. Well, what about the stories then? Well, the stories should be little bite-sized clips, pictures, videos, whatever, of the behind the scenes. Maybe one of the things you're doing is eating a funnel cake, right? And you're doing a little video clip of all the powdered sugar all over the funnel cake, right? That could be one option. Maybe it's a simple boomerang of your kids dancing with Mickey and Minnie Mouse, right? Kind of like a behind the scenes. Maybe the next one is you walking, past the line for Matterhorn, that big roller coaster with a big white mountain, right? Maybe you're doing a little video clip walking past a big long line because you got some VIP tickets to go to the front of the line, right? That could be another behind the scenes moment while you're at Disneyland. Is this making sense? Leveraging stories is going to give your audience a sneak peek into the life of you, the real, the raw, the transparent, right? Maybe not something that they would see on the regular newsfeed. And I feel this is the missing component so many of you have. That's going to open up the door to build trust with your audience 10 times faster. Now, real quick before we finish up, here's what I suggest. If you're brand new to using stories, I suggest starting with 3 story posts per day. If you're a seasoned veteran, maybe you can do upwards of 5, 7, maybe 10 per day. But if you're brand new, again, I don't want you to get overwhelmed. Start with just 3 per day, all right? And then start leveraging and encouraging some call to actions. Use some of the features that stories have in the form of using the polls, using the GIFs, using the question box, and other things that stories, whether it's Instagram or Facebook, are giving us the option to use. Oh, hey, by the way, if you need some help really figuring out how to leverage something like Instagram to get more customers, be sure to check out this video right here. Was this helpful, short, sweet, and to the point? Awesome, I did my job. Again, be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, give it a thumbs up if this was helpful. God bless you, your family, and your business. We'll see you next week. Take care.